Chineke gọzie unu ọhaneze gbasaa n'ozi a. Anambra kasị anyị Chukwu zitere ọkọ ndị Igbo na-abụ anyị Igbo. Share the telecast, God bless you. Come, how I got married to Mary, the Queen of Heaven. Ohaneze kwelugono, umuchuku kadibia. Obodo kwelugono, chuku kadibia. Ohaneze kwelugono, umuchuku kadibia. We just prayed my song, Jesus bụ Onye Igbo. Obodo ekwetego na Chukwu kadibia. Chukwu kadibia agwọ ya, Chukwu kadibia si ike, Chukwu kadibia in everything, Chukwu kadibia enye ego. Ọhaneze, achọrọ ka unu bịa gee m ntị n'ọnụ. I want to expose my marriage and I want to serve Ndi Igbo and to serve the world. You know, many of you see me every time I'm fighting Mysry, I'm fighting Mbaka, I'm fighting Ebukobi, I'm fighting, you don't know why I'm fighting. Iya na anụlọgụ a ka nchọ ka mgbazi ụnụ maka ife ndị anụlọgụ because a sị na onye issue ma ebe ọ na-eme gịnị ọ na-afịa ụfụ. So thank you very much and I want you to just listen to me. Even if you don't believe in whatever I say, even if you think I'm not normal, I'm mad or whatever. What I'm saying now will save your marriage. Go on to be okay, save your marriage. Go on to go down, okay, save your marriage. So don't make this mistake that we make. It's not even a mistake, you will learn. Reason why God will reveal something to us to teach you so it will not fall into the victim. Now, don't marry Mama Water. Don't marry Queen of Heaven. Don't marry Obanje. Don't marry Ezewine if you're not a spiritual person. If not so, the spirit that followed her can kill you. The serpent inside her can kill you. Her spiritual husband can kill you. The force that followed her can kill you. It can make you poor. But I will explain. First of all, let me pray. Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, Lagos, the New Jerusalem. Eba have been rejected billion from Mary, mother of gods, in 2020. So I want to take you back 2020. This is a woman I married in 2020. And did not marry for love. I did not marry because she's beautiful. I did not marry because she has money. I did not marry because of anything. I know her. I never dated the woman I married. I married to save her and her daughter. Why do I have to take this decision? I'm somebody that when I do my prophetic work, I say I'm going to marry a virgin. The first girl I wanted to marry before that, that one is from Marine Kingdom. So when I contacted power, she learned. Okay, she learned. Okay, I'm going to explain something to me. Onye na favor Abu Babalola. Ayo Babalola is a Yoruba man. Why did I put this here? Onye na favor Mbaka. Never Father Mbaka. So why I put all those? This is a man of God, but I shall not lie. I don't lie in my program. That's why if I say something, nobody can challenge it. If you don't happen to share this telecast. And again, especially when I go to Catholic again, when I go Greek again, when I go Sabbath again, when I go Pentecost again, when I go Winners again, in I got choosing, I got I'm listening very well. You know, because more time I want to save your life. No man of God, no pastor, no reverend father, no apostle, nobody have preached it and nobody have told you this. Either they have never led you to Mbaka or Ebukobi or to choosing or to Winners or to Mountain of Fire. No, I'm here to review to you the forbidden truth, the hidden secret. Why I think they hack my page. Many of you don't know why they hack my page. I know they drag. Do you know about when they hack my page? I know they even do church. This is not a church. This is a liberation center. Okay? Like my next program now in Nago is next week, Saturday. After this program I'm doing Nago now on this Saturday, first Saturday of the month. Another one will be again in Abuja. Another one will be in Port Harcourt. Another one will be in Aba, Anambra, and the Enugu. Then I will now come back to Lagos. Lagos will be December. So if I do this program finish, I want to do in Lagos. My next program again in Nago will be December time, next year. So and I want to God to deliver you. You come for the program. It's called Open Heaven Night of Power, Past Power, Ike Pentecost. This is season 2. We have done season 1 last month. You see somebody that is a Zion member that got healed from 10 years fibroid sickness. She have been to hospital. She have gone many 10 years. You know, 10 years. God does deliver. Only just one encounter, just with water. That's what my God can do. So because of him, then I say, he can never come out and say, the way I don't arrange. He can never come and say, hey, I'm doing fake. But the only way he can say, I don't have money. He can say, I don't have member. He can say, I don't have this. But let me tell you why I don't have money and why I don't have member. I enter a covenant to expose Satan, to expose Church of Satan, to expose Okite, and to expose evil altar, to serve Ndi Igbo. So there's no how I rejected billion here. Devil appear, Queen of Heaven appear. Say, as you allow, what happened no matter how. Also, many people have died here. Let's them back to date. They come back to life. The when they come back to life, they tell you what happened to them. Okay, like now, Ayo Babarola, Chineke gwara nwaanyị ọ ga-anụ is a single mother. All that person moye mutara kumwe. So who are going to Ayo Babarola? That's why your picture is here. So let me pray. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, I call upon the Holy Spirit. This exposition, this revelation is to save mankind. It's not to mock myself or to mock my wife or to mock anybody. Just to, many years. This is 2020, 5 years. So sometimes if I tell my wife I want to expose this, she will not say no. Sometimes if she say no, dragon will come and fight me. I will hold the dragon, life dragon. My wife used to say Roman Catholic. On one Mbaka, so I'm married to Mary. Her name is Miriam. I'm married. It's a very it's one of the prophetess in charismatic. The Shivich of where they perform miracle, but the miracle she performs, she's not using power of God. I am the one that delivered her. Why I'm saying this thing is it's not dead, it's alive. He just on the mountain. Because of you, I say, go and marry, go and marry, go and marry, go and marry. I've married 2020, but I'm not with my wife for more than 3 years. I don't think, because a lot of problem, because of the problem, a lot of things. So I'm going to say something, and I'm going to be showing you some documentary for you. Those things I say I'm going to be showing to you, I'm going to be showing to you. If I say I received billion, this is hour for me to show you billion. This is why I'm doing this video, because I said that this year, all the people that betray me, I'm going to drop them. Now, my wife betrayed me when I was fighting battle, and this battle started from her because we fight to save your life, and you don't want to save other people. So the reason why I'm taking her back to Mbaka. Maybe Mbaka or Ebukobi should marry her. You cannot follow somebody that preach against your faith, and they don't believe in that. So anytime I preach about Roman Catholic, she will not be happy. And you want to marry a spiritual warlord. A spiritual warlord. The man that have mantle, that have 1.16 million angel to destroy the kingdom of darkness. She said, no work. I say, where your wife, where your wife, where your wife, where your wife? My wife cannot cook for me. She can't do nothing for me. What he's supposed to do, she's not doing. He's supposed to be praying for me. He's not even doing it. So when I'm entered fasting, once I start preaching about things I know, she will be angry. Because sometimes she will see it's different from, let me explain to you. There's deliverance of demon that can deliver somebody. There's another thing that the spirit is coming to use somebody is different. So she used to see Mary. Anytime she see that Mary appear, maybe she's a dragon or serpent or something, she will change her mood. So anytime I'm exposing her, the woman, she's not happy because of what. You don't want me to mention Mbaka name. You don't want me to mention Roman Catholic. You don't want to ask her why. So why are you here? The reason why she married me, she not married me because of you're not supposed to marry me. It just came for me to help her. Because battle or God on me, nobody can save you her in this life. I'm saying it. If he says a lie, let her come out and say, why I'm saying this thing now. I say I'm going to expose many things before I die. So I'm alive. Let me say those things because Babalola does not have video. Babalola won't video. I expose my marriage now. They tell you those things I used to talk now. I'm married to Mary, Queen of Heaven. When I married my wife, I cannot sleep with her for some time because snake was inside her. Yes. Let me say this now. A serpent was inside her because Mary used to appear to her, Queen of Heaven. So I'm saying this now because of you. I say, where's the wife? So such a woman, if you're not strong, you gotta sleep with her, you die. That's why somebody will say, I'm a virgin. You're a virgin what? You can have serpent inside you. You can be sleeping with demons. You can. So leave all those things. I know what I'm saying. That's why I'll tell you that nobody on this earth can preach what I preach. So if after preaching this thing, I'm not preaching it because she's a demon. She's a woman of God. She's very, very repented person. She's born again. She can pray. She can prophesy. I've delivered her. But I need to show this thing. If I didn't show this thing, it will look at I am mad. It will look at I'm fool. It will look at I like problem. In fact, because of this thing I'm saying now, I want her, if she watches finish, she will be angry, but let her be. It's better to save, I'm reminded to save 3.5 billion so. Now I make people when we say, if I hear them finish, they don't come back to do testimony. And this kind of thing where my wife, so I want to start it from here, from this my wife own. Now she's no longer my wife because of what? She cannot marry me. This is she cannot marry me. She does not support what I preach. So if you don't support what I preach, don't come to me. If you say you don't like me, don't come to me. Keep your money. Don't join partner. And I told you people, I'm starting afresh. I'm starting afresh, which is I started on the last month. That's the first program I did in Nagor Palace. It's a new movement now. This is Zion City of the West Nagor, the Zion of Truth. So, reason I'm saying this thing because of tomorrow, somebody will come and be talking anything. Anything you want to talk, I want to say it here. So even if you hear it somewhere else, I'm already said it. So nothing to hide. I'm not saying it for you to like me. I'm not saying it for you to hate me. I'm not saying it for you to come to my church. I'm saying it to prove to you everything I've been saying about Ebuka is real. Everything I've been saying about Mbaka is real. Everything I'm going to say about my wife is real. Everything I'm going to say about myself. So I want to start the exposition from myself. So this is an article. Then come out and defend it. This is an I'm married Mary. Many used to appear. Sometimes you want to attack. I carry my sword. My sword, the men will long. What do you know? What do you know about Mary? I born separated. Now my wife and her daughter get separated were born in 2020. Her daughter died. I raised her back to death. Do you know how many demons that we fought for how many years? We have to go to heaven to bring key, to open her. I'm going to be showing you all those things. Why I'm doing this thing now, just for you to know that I have no skeleton in my car because if I do juju, I'm not going to feed the casket my wife because she expose me. So anything where she gets to expose me, let her do. So I want to prove to you now I am the only genuine man of God in Nigeria. At least if you do juju, your wife go know. If you do for court, your wife go know. If you do anything, you know if you hide that for your wife, she go know. So now who I be now, I won't tell you now. This is why. The why I married my wife under 1 month. Shalom. I married my wife under 1 month, no date, no friend, no courtship, nothing. She came for a program. God began to speak. I was seeing date. Her daughter is almost died. On the COVID-19, 2020, her daughter died, no hospital. I let her back from this death. Then Mary appear here. Promise me billion. Do you know how many demons that appear? There's people that are living on the ground, the sexual kingdom. They came. I know Google. We hearing it. When the girl will start to manifesting, I know if you hold the girl, the small girl, she wanted to jump fence. Because they're telling me they're coming to collect her. They say if I don't leave the girl, they will destroy my ministry. The mountain I have built in Noka fall because of this thing now. So if I don't say it, I'm a fool. Me, I have failed in my work. So it's better for my wife to carry her load and go. Let me do my work and save millions of people than to hiding those secrets. Because if I don't hide this, if I don't expose this thing, I failed. Reason why God brought her to marry her, for her to show me the secret things in Roman Catholic. The deep secret. So what I know about Roman Catholic, many fathers may not know it. Many even Mbaka may not know it. Many Mbaka may not know it. Let me not say they know it. Because if they know this, what I know, and they are doing what they are telling you to worship that Mary, God will punish them. Any father that know this thing and saying now that Mary is a Satan, and if asking you to pray that to rosary, God will punish them. What I say here, and I can defend it anywhere in the world. No pastor, no reverend father, no reverend sister. If he challenge it, he die. So, I don't have member, I understand. I don't have money, I understand. But I sign it. This exposition started, it's not only Mbaka that worship Mary, starting from TB Joshua, starting from Jeremiah, starting from Buchiri, starting from Ojume. Many of them worship the same Queen of Heaven, Sun God. All the Sunday worship is you're praying to Zeus. That Jesus you call. His name is called Yeshua. So if they call Jesus, they call Zeus is a God, the sun God worship. Go and check it. J is not an alphabet of what? Yeshua. So Jesus you worship. That's why when Matthias, sometimes Matthias they talk about Jesus, I know they reply. The only one I'm against Matthias, where he say nobody can heal spiritual sickness. I got an warrior. Because of what I'm preaching now that you don't want to hear, you will die. Many people have gone. My sister died because my sister was going to Ebuko because Mbaka his husband is a Roman Catholic. After she was on coma, they called me. They never called my church one day, but they called me as a sister. They say, brother, it's thicker than what I want to pray for her. When I pray for her finished, I tell her and say, what you want to kill you, now what you kill our mother. Stop praying to this rosary. Stop going to those churches. Stop going to native doctor. Now, when the thing now start again after 1 year, they can now call me because I asked them to come. Let me help them to finish what I started. They didn't come. No testimony, no thanksgiving. Because they don't want people to know that I'm the one that delivered her, my sister. She died. They don't bury her. I'm saying this thing. If I have a brother, I have sisters. I have my brother living with this here. He's a multi-billionaire, but because of what she believes and what I believe, we don't talk. This work I'm doing now, my family fought me. So I will not do this work because they will know that if I start it, many people will go down. And many people have gone down. One of my brothers said, oh, are you going to be happy when everybody die finish? I said, when everybody is planning to kill me, all of you will die finish. What's the problem? What can you, what you plan to kill me, the angel will kill you. I'm not the one killing you. I'm not the one killing anybody. But I'll tell you, as my brother, as my sister. As I'm telling you, that's what I tell my brothers. I know they hide anything. I don't need anything from you. God blessed me when I was young. I did not marry for lust. I did not marry for love. I did not marry a woman because of money or because she's beautiful. No. None of these qualities she have. I married her to save her life and because of voice of God. Because Barbara disobeyed God by marrying another woman and married witchcraft. I say, because of that story I've heard about Barbara, what it make Barbara no die on time? Because of the woman Barbara married a witchcraft. With all the power that they have, he could not be able to deliver the woman because the woman was sent from another world to come and destroy her, destroy his ministry. That's why Barbara sometimes will prepare to go to program. The woman will carry oil, pour for his clothes. Barbara will sometimes will lock Barbara inside room. So the problem you have is this: no man of God is God. No church can save you. No pastor can save you. You can only have your encounter with God. If you remember that, he said, I'm a Zion. You're not Zion. I'm this, you're a fool. So if Ebukobi is going to hellfire, you follow him. If the Yahweh is going to hellfire, you follow me. If Mbaka is going to take you to Marine Kingdom, you follow him. Don't follow anybody. Follow Bible. Go to church and listen and follow Bible. Anybody that go contrary to the word of God, you watch being Satan. That's why what I've been preaching, nobody has preached in the history of man. I am the first person to preach Jesus is a black man. I am the first person to say about Okite that they are using human being because I saw it. Today, are they not using human being? Are they not killing human being? Haven't you seen the evidence? I am the first person to preach with that Mary is Satan because I have the evidence. I am the one that told that I rejected billion from Satan. The money they give to the COVID I collected, they gave to me in 2020. I rejected it. I will prove it to you. I will show you the videos. The woman I married, Solomon Catholic, is head of charismatic in Gondo. Mbaka daughter. So nobody say they talk this one. Let me deliver her. This is going on air. But we are separated, was it last month? The reason we have to separate because I am a mandate to win 3.5 billion. So I can't carry a woman who cannot support my movement. If I preach the truth, you're angry because you're coming from the Mbaka because Mbaka is your suspicion. Go and marry Mbaka now. Go and marry Ebukobi. Good and fine. So I'm looking for virgin. If you're a virgin available, this is how to get married. We have it as agreement from the one. She know. I told her after marrying you, I'll marry her now because I married her to fight her battle. I did not marry her because I lost. No, she will tell you. I told her I'll give her an option. Are you ready to? Because how can I have a woman? It's supposed to be a prayer warrior. Supposed to be a prayer warrior. Supposed to be in my backbone. And she's part of people that betrayed me. I say all the people that betrayed me, both members, all of you, and cutting all of you, and starting again. It's like only one person I have, or two people. See, let me tell you, the kind of peace I have this year, I've never had it for more than 20 years. Because not just my family, my everybody, all the betrayers, I pursued them my way. I went to my family, I told them this Easter, starting from now, I am not prophet for anybody. Why? You become your own prophet. So if I'm doing something, you people cannot come out to appreciate it. But when you have problem, call me. I'll come and pray for you. I say, that is end. As long as you're not in what I've been preaching to you, you're on your own. 7 days I said that my sister died. Yeah. He died. Because you're not going to see your protection. He said it doesn't work. Are you crazy? You're not if you do that. Somebody that was on coma for 7 days. They don't feel call Ebukobi their church where they go to. They don't feel call their Roman Catholic people. Because she married a Roman Catholic. But when they have problem, they called me. I said, as a sister, when? As a brother. But I said, this is what you want to kill my mother, want to kill you. This is attack. And it's happened. I saw the woman. Because if it's not spiritual sickness, when I pray for her, she will not recover. And she recovered. From that last year to this year, 1 year and they don't come for Thanksgiving. They don't even come for the finished prayer. Or they go Zion, they put Zion sticker for their house. That's okay, no problem. So now when she was dying second time, that thing happened to her again. The day I went to my village, Easter, Passover, I see me, I throw a bin in Miri. Reason why I throw that bin, I said, I want to remove all the whole battle and ending the battle. When I throw the bin in Miri, Pope died. God told me we keep Pope. What keep Pope is enter the go and check. Because I told you Pope will die. Because he have legalized gay and he will change 10 commandments and God killed him. In Vatican City, if I have never received call, I've received more than 100 calls. In America, if I've never received call, I've received thousands. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Stop this you're doing. Stop preaching this you're doing. How much are we going to give you? In 2022, that's why they came. They said they want to bring 1 billion. They want to build hospital, build a school, build a church for me. There are 2 people. They fly from UK. They came down. One was a hospital. One was like I don't know what is a. It's a minister. So the other one is a medical district practitioner. He has a hospital in UK. So it's okay. They want to use my name to do the church. And I said, no, give me the money so I can do what I want to do. They said, no. I said, no. Because, see, this is the only ministry that you can say, no government. Like me now, my governor give me appointments. I never go. Because I'm not a politician. I just went to pray for where we opened Front City and they opened Solution Market in Nekrobe. I was there. Now, my mayor is supposed to see. But because God have given me instruction to follow. God has given me instruction to follow. Everything I say here now is against Roman Catholic. If any father can come and challenge it, let him come out. Everything I said about Ebukobe, if he can come and challenge it, let him come out. God will kill him. I'm telling you, because enough is all this enough that you'll be deceiving people. And now talk as of time normally now because of what? What does it profit a man to get the whole world and lose the soul? He thought that they look anybody first. He thought that they see anybody. He thought because of you get crowd that they, me and you who they first know for online. The problem you have is this. You choose a site without knowing who is the who. You choose a fight, you don't know how it starts. If they ask you now, Ebukobi and Devia, who is serving Ndi Igbo, you will say Ebukobi because you have crowd. How do you serve? Somebody is taking you to Marine Kingdom that is serving you. I said, let him lead chaplain in Israel. He cannot. And he's got to Nigeria, we're leading chaplain. Ask him, why is he not leading that chaplain in Israel? If you try it, they will stone him alive. I'm married to Mary. Mary, you worship her, Mary. My wife was having Mary inside her. Snake. I could not sleep with her. When I got married, because God, I already know it's a battle. I have to kill the snake. What do you know? That's why I say, I don't have wife. I have wife. This is because we say, if I marry my wife, we'll be separate. I married my wife was outside for many years. I cook my food. I will come many times and say that my woman cook because it's not all about marriage, it's all about we enter contract. We enter our contract to expose the kingdom of darkness and to save the world. But she failed in doing the work. She failed. She's a betrayer. If I call her, if I put online, she will cry, she will beg him. But it's not all about begging. But if I tell you what she have done, you know go bury that she do, and the same person will go to beg now. You go tell if I tell you what she don't do, you know go believe that one. We're not here to. I'm only trying to. She's a good woman, no? She's a woman of God. And I cannot lie about that because God say, this woman is a woman of God. But devil is using her. You have to deliver her. So this is my marriage now, not anybody. Many of you will not say it. Many people will. I will tell you, I will show you many things. That's why if I'm saying something, I say, come anywhere, I come to court, I will defeat you. Because we have evidence when the little girl died, I wake up, we went to heaven, many things. Do you know how many demons are killed? 300 and something thousand demons. Why you people are saying, do you know that, you people are just talking. I was fighting at work. I was fighting native doctors, thousands of them. At the same time, I was fighting Ebukobi. I was fighting Mbaka. I was fighting with demons. My family, and my wife's family, and herself, and Mary at the same time. I'll be able to survive it now. So what do you think I cannot survive? All those battles are finished. So this time, if you stand on my way, I will see you very well to do what? To match you. That's why when the thing gets into, the only thing that I would say, that if I remember Ebukobi, I will be angry is hacking my page. Even also, I'm not getting any business with him because I know this kind of video, I've done it before. It's on that page. But I have to repeat myself now. But it's good. It says, please, this time I'm going to make it real now so you understand what I'm saying. This is Barbara. This man gave me this bell. I was on the mountain. You will see one bishop. I was on the mountain, in Sabbath Mountain. That was a very long time ago. Was it 2012 or 11? I was praying on the mountain. This Yoruba man appeared to me on that mountain, the east, more than 7 times. Say I should come to the mountain. The name of the mountain appeared. Nobody carried me to the mountain. This is going on air. If anybody said I ain't give me power, make it come out. So I went to the mountain. I fasted. The mountain they asked me to come because it has many mountains. The one I saw on A, it was very tall. So when I get to that place, the one I saw, when I asked the name of the mountain, when I get there, it's not the same place I saw on the Revelation. But there I was I fasted 40 days and 40 nights. I almost died. When I came back, they still appear. Say, I've not come to the mountain that they asked me to come. That's the mountain I went last week now. It's 1,000. It's 2,000. Oh, it's 1,000 steps times 2. They have the third mountain. You go climb 1,000 steps, climb another 1,000. That's a place you have to cry. It's only ministers that cry there. That's where mountain of fire. Local LSC power. That you see the cave. That's where I get this bell. That's why they see this bell. In that descent cave. Many years ago. I spent 5 years on the mountain. So this is why this man pictures here. This is me. This is my wife. I did marriage one day. I did tradition. I paid everything. Everything they used to pay. That nobody have done it in the village. I did everything. They paid everything they need to pay. One day. They say no, go and come back. I said no. I have to finish it. Because I already know there's no time. Then we went to Holy Ghost. Because the person that my wife had married before, but they did not pay her diary. They did not pay her diary. He got married to a guy that they did not pay her diary. So they wedded her in Roman Catholic. So God told me for that snake to die, they have to go to Roman Catholic to do what? To separate them. That is covenant they entered. I'm telling you now. Why we went to, I fought with Reverend Father in Roman Catholic, Holy Ghost. That was in 2020. During that COVID-19. Because they are dragging the small girl. The small girl is supposed to, he said in the 10 years, it's 9 years when I made them. In 10 years, he's about to get to, he said 10 years is supposed to die. They will kill the girl and sacrifice it to Mary. This is not lie. That's why Father Nebejoy said something. Said, those small children glory you're using. This one. He said many things. That's why I started posting that. I know there's something exposed there. Ebuko may not be doing it, but he said that Ebuko be using small children glory. There is some fat there. He may not be Ebuko baby. They know. Mary is not what you think he is. So Mary said this girl will be sacrificed to her. The little girl. I said, why? He said she was there when she was born in the hospital. Her mother was here, and I was there. The Mary was speaking through the little girl. Then I asked her what. He said when she came to the hospital, light off. The mother said yes, that when she gave the birth, light off. She almost died in the hospital. You know, say how can person born picking light off for hospital? So the demon appeared there to take in charge. That little girl has 4 eyes, 2 eyes, and the another 2 eyes. I video some, I did not video some because this thing every day with the fight. 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 Every day. God said, don't leave this girl. If you leave her, they will kill her and they will take her. So I don't go anywhere again. I stayed. I was on fasting for many months. So every day I'm fighting, killing demons. I will show you people. So how I saved Ndi Igbo now. It's one person, but I've saved millions of people. And this video is going to save nations. So winning 3.5 billion so is not really, I'm going to have church, people full. This man doing now, I have video that more than 1 million people watch, 2 million people, 3 million people watch it. Listen to me, if you're part of people that are reporting my page, God will kill you. This is why God will kill you is if God not kill you, your son or your daughter will die. Because this time, I'm not going here to joke. You see that I'm exposing myself. I know they're supposed to be Mbaka or Mbaka. I'm exposing myself now. So either you watch the video, go your own way, or you share it. If you don't want your children to die, share it and make sure we join together to save people. Thank you very much. Each time I say love me too much, I love you too. Now, The essence of this exposition is to win 3.5 billion souls. It's not about church. I don't have church. I don't care to know. But I'm here in my assignment to do what I've got to do. So even if I don't get member, it's okay. Even if you are not, it's okay. Next month, 6th of September, those people will say they don't have money to join partner. Come, I'll pray for you free. I choose it. That's what I'll do. I'll be doing evangelism, going places to do. So I need someone to support it. If you can pay for the hall, pay. If you can pay for call the number. What you can do, you do. Make sure you're part of it. Because this is the only people. God, that's what God say. This is a partnership. But this ones I'm doing it to help people. Then when I pray, God say, go to go. So all this one I'm doing it to help Ndi, but not really because of them. The program we did last time, we spent millions because we are using hall. But I did not collect 1 naira. I did not collect 1 naira for them. And I give people money. Go ask pastor. Nobody have done that. I've done it in Anambra State. I've done it in Abuja. I'll still do it again. So I will need you to support genuine people where God touch for what I'm doing now. You can see why I cannot have members. You can see why I cannot have supporters, because a occultic man cannot come and support somebody that is exposing them. Do you know how many members that I have? Partners. But many of them, it's after my program, they will be calling me on my phone. If I put my phone, I will see them calling me. I've saved a lot of people. Where are those people who heal from HIV? Where are the people who heal from cancer? Where are the people, men, all the women that will deliver from Queen of Heaven, spiritual husband, spiritual wife? Where are they who deliver from principalities? We're not talking about the demons. Anybody can deliver demons. Ebukobi cannot deliver you from Queen of Heaven. It's not possible. No, my country can deliver you from Queen of Heaven. Principalities and powers. Have you had anybody they manifest say, I am Queen of Heaven in your church? In your Zion? Have you had anybody? You can't see. Because that is Mary. But I will show you. You see. You hear the voice. I will show you. I will show you Queen of Heaven. I will show you Queen of Ghost. Then I will show you how some men, occultic men, Knight of St. John, how they take people destiny, glory. There's one girl, the man collected the glory and gives to their own children. 7 men collected. Now here, I fight them. There are 7 people. I fought them, I collected the girl destiny and give her back. But fortunately, I told the girl to separate for her family, her friends. When I traveled to the East in 2017, they poisoned the girl. That what take me in prison. I spent 21 days. So everything I spent 7 days in Aja. Then I spent 14 days in Panti. So I know that what are they talk now? They cheat. Go there and do. If you want to go show you case file, go to Panti. They will bring the case file. So when I was in Panti, I prayed. The Oga came from Abuja. He said, all the people that is in this prison, if you don't take them to court, take them to your house. That's how they released me. And when I was there praying, 3 people died in the family. So those family can't sign and then kill the girl because they shoot the girl gone. The person had they shot the girl arrow because I was. So when she was they took her to hospital. When I get to hospital, I said, what's wrong? He said they shot her arrow, and from hospital they say it's malaria, but she told me saying an arrow they shoot and gone. She come paralyzed. When they don't carry and go hospital, they say malaria. They give her injection. She come paralyzed. That's why they tell you say 99% people that died, maybe malaria or one sickness or fibroid or kidney problem or this one, it's not. It's a spiritual attack. Sometimes the person may not have that spiritual eye to say. He may not even feel talk within the happen to them. Now when you come pray, the person can manifest what is happening to you. That's why I'm telling you now. If you're sick, get yourself in God Palace on the 6th September. September to remember. I'm going to be praying for you. Even if you don't have money, I'm going to be praying for you. You're not buying nothing. I'm going to be praying for you. Then when God bless you, come back and do your testimony and thank God, support God. Then if you want to support this movement to help mankind, because we, like me now, how many times am I doing program? I just came back from the East. I went to the mountain, from mountain to the East, from the East I came back. You see me where I say I fought with demon. I went to Enugu State. My wife is from Enugu State. that 3 junction I stand. So when I came to Amansi and Enugu State, that was in 2020, the demon that I see, I appear, he called him and said, I am an Ogugu. Then because when I was coming, the demon law, people, they fall inside, dust everywhere. So when I was praying for my wife, when I was living my life, the demon appeared here. I will show you the video. Now that I'm entering, I will show you the video. The demon appeared through her. I asked, okay, who are you? He said, no. I said, are you the demon that appeared the day I was coming to? That my first time going to Israel. He said, yes. I said, okay. And I asked her, what's your problem? She started telling me, the demon said that they brought him many years ago to fight war. Now, Ezeago and Benebe was dragging one land. If you go to my video now, down last week, I did a video. I went there, I did a video last week. So I went there, I went to the family to tell them we are no longer together. So everybody's on the separate way now. So I'm on my own journey. So I'm not kind of just because of one woman come fear God. So who I know one follow the trend. Maybe we'll go to Mbaka or Ebukobi will continue marry her because she's also a virgin. So make me say fine virgin. And the fine virgin will be saying as about if you're a man Catholic, one money me. I say, no, you can't tell me say tomorrow, man, I don't preach what I don't preach. Anybody who want marry me must be a prayer where must 100% to expose Satan. If you don't say no go fear expose Satan, I'm not for you. I'm not meant for every woman. If not so, my God the angel will kill you. You understand? So reason why I have to take the woman and so they will not die. Because if they can kill the angels, you'll see the angels. Ask her. People that know her, ask her. She have seen the 1.16 million angels. Yes. We know they talk frog here. So I believe I've said what I want to say. There are any other thing nice. I'm going to be doing my documentary. Then I'm going to be showing you this thing I'm saying now. How we fought war in first and second heaven. How we rejected freedom from Satan. Many of you used to say it's a lie. I will show you. You will hear the woman saying, what do you want? I didn't record everything, but you will see some. They will see people that are living on the ground, the sensual kingdom. They see somebody that have 5 blood. How the demon came to carry the 5 blood? Say, we came to carry our property. So you know that 5 blood is nothing. That's why, as you can see one girl that here for 5 blood in Nago. That one is 10 years. Just one hand at this day. The 5 blood, the pen stop. Now they begin to ask me to go and remove the video. Do you know how many people that their testimony is not here? People in America, thousands of them, they say they're working for government. I should not post their testimony. I should not. Many of them, their testimonies. There's a woman that prayed for government paid almost 200 and something million for house for her. That testimony is now there. It's my phone that I lost. I have many testimonies that's in my phone that I lost and my page they hacked. So please, I love you to share this telecast. God bless you. I'm not doing this thing to say that Sabbath is genuine. The Sabbath is of God. Sabbath is the owner of Zionites. Sabbath is the owner of the Bible. But that does not mean if you know if any Sabbath, when Sabbath in the court, when Sabbath in the moment water, when Sabbath in the boni, when Sabbath in the free mercy, I call the book, call the organ. But I'm telling you what I know. Sabbath is your true worship. Sabbath is not a church. I will not be saying wear white make me Sabbath. No. What Sabbath is a commandment of God. So don't use anybody to say, once you're keeping that commandment, you become Sabbath. It's the God say in Revelation 3 verse 9, who are those who claim to be a Jew, but they're not. They're all synagogue of Satan. So I name money they claim neighbor Zion, and you don't obey the covenant of God. You're Zion of Satan. If you don't say they go Sunday church, you're not obeying the covenant, Jew covenant. Your synagogue of Satan is there. Revelation 3 verse 9. Go and read it so you understand. Then another Bible you're going to read, Exodus 20. From 1 to 10. God said, I am the Lord your God. I am a jealous God. I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the hand of bondage. When you are in suffering in Egypt, they shall have no other God before me because I am a jealous God. He got bought 2 bags of cement. Not boy Mary, mother of God. How did the 2 bags of cement become Mary, mother of God? We're not against Mary. Mama Jesus. After Abu Marian. Mama Yeshua. Then that one you're calling now is Caesar. The son of Caesar. They painted it for you and they give you your serving. And the man have come and said, do not worship me. I am not Jesus. You still put it in your church. You put it in your church there. Claim you know God. Are you not insulting God? Because that shall not make any grave image, anything, likeness in the world, in heaven and above. That shall not make them. Because I am God, I'm a spirit. I am not a man. You are poor one nonsense. And then you claim those are fake. Now you original. There's no any place God condemn water. There's no any place in the Bible God. Jesus said, I am the rivers of the living water. Jesus' ministry was started from the water. The first miracle he performed, he turned water to wine. He walked upon the sea. You receive the power by going to John the Baptist in the water. So know this. Water is the most powerful thing, but they will deceive you. The same people who tell you, say, if you go to water, you're watching setup. They are selling that water for you and you're buying. They call it golden water, angel water. They call it any name. You buy. But they will tell you if you go to water, you're fake. That the same water is in your house, better than that one. Carry the water and pray, you become more powerful. We believe in Salaka. Salaka is what God said, feed the poor, feed the needy, feed the hospital, go to hospital, visit them. That's what we do. That's why it's partnership. Because it's an assignment. That's why it cannot manipulate me. So if I say, oh, you want to give me off, you want to give me that, so I can become, so I will succumb to you. I beg get off on this page. This is not one of those pastors that can manipulate. I respect my members, but nobody can manipulate me. I say, but I say equal. Whether that's what I started with partner with 500 naira, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 500,000. May God bless everybody who has supported this ministry. But you don't be part of that. After God bless you, go and be casketed. You don't like what I'm doing. You want to come to me? If you take shame, you will die. Many people will die for shame. I have a man I deliver from UK. They are dragging the house and deliver this man finish. Deliver him, he win the house, win everything. He came back to Nigeria and go back. Now they don't carry name, put him for 3-4 idol. They call me. So only one fight today, now I go fight. I tell you, things for spiritual world don't come. So come down to Nigeria. Enter Friday, where you come and go see one-on-one. I go pray for you. He say, I may have done as I do. No, if I charge you for spiritual work, you know go fit pay me. I no get time back on the law. Do you know how much motor where they carry me go mountain? I know they carry my motor. Now almost 700,000 they charge for like 7 mountains. What I paid last time, almost 700,000. So you know how much you go give me before I go carry the go mountain, come go do spiritual work, come go do salaga. And it go cost money. So leave that one. If your power no reach, come for prayer one-on-one. I pray for you. After God bless you, come and make promise. What you go do? After God bless you, come back and do. But if you want spiritual work, you there your house. I go do it, but it will cost you money. Because I don't have time for that. I'm just telling you, I'm not just being honest. So if you're part of people that have done that for before, you're lucky. If you have not been, do your testimony. Support the movement. You're a partner. Pay your tithe, pay your partner vow. So God will keep on increasing. Your altar is a place of sacrifice. Like you now. When last did you pay your partner? I visit mountain, highest one every 3 months, every 2 months, 1 month, I go mountain. You keep on praying. They don't just, oh, because I don't enjoy partner last year, I not go pay. You go pay. Pay your partner. You keep on growing. I'm telling you, there's a secret. Because when you do that thing, I will declare a word. The angels that I'm working for, they are the one blessing you. I'm not the one. That thing that is hard for you, take it to Aval. I'm paying this partner to support this program, to support the charity we are doing. You see, things will be easy for you. Money cannot fall from heaven, but there's a spiritual helpers. They will make things easy for you. They will give you wisdom how to make it. So that's it. That's it. So thank you very much. I believe I'll stop here. And I want to apologize to anyone I have offended or call your name in a long way, or even my wife, no longer my wife, my ex-wife. If you watch this video, maybe angry, but don't get angry, because the purpose of this video is to save many people. Then if you don't want to save other people, then you would have died. Remember, your data died, I saved that. So why wouldn't you want people to know this? We're not going to say, anybody that coming to me know that what your problem would be using it to expose to others. So if you don't want your problem to be exposed, don't come. Go and die with your problem. Please don't come to me. I am not interested. You can't pay me. You can't bribe me. Anything I'm doing, if it's not the video that I videoed 2018 about that girl that died, how would the hospital be, how would the commissioner of police Lagos State believe that what I'm saying? I showed them the video when the girl was talking everything. How they killed the girl mama when she was 12 years. So I've told them when I said it, they arrested me. I said I should come and prove it. They have brought the video. So if this my wife now, people say, come and prove this man saying I will prove it. If anybody say, come and prove it, I will approve it. Anybody sees, I say prove it, I will approve it. Because I'm not talking to stick, I'm talking to human being. But this is what I need to do to save other people. I know. Devil don't want you to expose you. Bible say, expose the Satan so you flow. So don't say my wife is Satan. No. Devil was inside her, but I've delivered her. But I need to say this because of you that think I'm against Man Catholic. No, I'm only saying what I saw, what I know. The videos are here. I'm going to be bringing the video out. So watch out for anybody that want to get married. I'm going to be teaching many things about marriage. There's a lot of things I'm going to teach. So it will help you. It will help you. How do you know the woman you want to marry? You see the woman because she's beautiful, because you have money, because you have. Do you know what is inside the person I want to marry? So you need to know this. That is why. Do you know that when I want to marry my wife, water carries me enter another kingdom, another underground? I want to fight war there. I saw people that are giant people. If not so, okay, if the person dies, you have to say person one man die. Now all this they have a person one man die. Do you know how many attack? So before you marry, pray very well and know who you want to marry. Don't marry Ezewon. Don't marry Mama Water. Don't marry Serpent. Don't marry Mary. If you know so, you go cry. Okoko go cry like a monkey. You go cry like a monkey. Say deliverance. It isn't everything they deliver. There are some people it cannot deliver. Those people, they are an assignment. You can't deliver them. You can't deliver them. You can't deliver Queen of Heaven. Queen of Heaven is principalities and powers. They are an assignment to destroy the world. So they will be sending people to us to pull us down. So if you're not strong, you like, if God not be here with me, God, this people will finish me. What I carry me enter on the ground. I want to fight war there. They send me money. The money seized for more than 3 days. You didn't see the money. Then I saw my ATM fall. You said nothing like spiritual. Okay, yeah, go to Asa South and watch. There's a woman that they show it in Mazobia. I think I dated it. There's a woman that had baby with somebody that died very long time. So when the woman now come, they could not find the woman. They not find the man. Now they realize the man have died long time ago. No one was saying this thing. You thought it's joke. See, I have gone to bring people that died 10 years ago. They are holding people destiny. I collected their destiny and give them back. So you can't compare me with any prophet or any pastor or any evangelist. What have you seen? Have you seen demons? Have you fought with demons? Show me who have exposed this thing before. Nobody. What I'm preaching is different. I'll show you the spirit of underworld. They are drinking blood. It's called Central Kingdom. I've been there to fight war, to collect blood. You will see it. I've been to first level to fight with men. I'm here, arrested men here. He gave the girl, he brought the key they used to lock this girl. He took the key when she was 10 years. You know, I'm not here to lie, I'm here to tell you the reason why I'm making this video is this is what I hold myself. I just doing it, not for anything. This is a top secret. I'm not supposed to say it, but I need to say it. Why I'm saying it is, Babalola did not have video. We only hear story. You see, this Babalola story now make me almost entered what nearly killed me, but because God is with me. But if God is not with me, in this marriage I would have died. Do you know how many demons? Do you know how many people that died? Witches and wizards, go to their family. The woman, their sisters, they say their sisters. I will show you the videos. Most of your problems are for your family. Like this one, her sister says she cannot marry. Their sisters, they are like 7. Many of them don't die. When I go to their village, I say, ask someone, I say, ask yourself, since where this son and daughter marry, many women died in the family. I say, these are the women who say they cannot watch her marry, stay in the husband's house. And she's from Abumana. Abumana, I see idol, I see demons, I see God Jesus Christ. The highest place they have idols and forces and witchcraft is in Enugu State. Eziago. No. My friend told me, well, I know the award. Even when I throw the paper, you get where they shake. He say, can you marry this person? I check it. What they show me? No. She was there. So when I throw the paper, she start crying. She start crying because of the problem, the battle. That I don't raise her daughter for date. And her sisters, I said, if I do this girl, they will kill her. I said, no. Okay, I said, okay, if I marry you, finish. I go marry another woman. She said, no problem. Make her help her. Nobody feel help her. That is it. Or enter contract. They will come start the battle. So the man where Hindu marriage with, when he said they don't pay her diary, they went to do in church. You know how your Catholic they do? They went to do wedding in church, buy a ring, but they don't pay to get diary. So now you have entered covenant. Before that snake can go, because I used to see the snake. Before that snake can go, so the snake will be appearing, telling me that they enter covenant. They enter covenant. So I'll come begin to ask questions. God said, she must go with that man in the Catholic, so they will separate them. That's it. No one naira. I spent close to 300,000 for church, for Holy Ghost. Then other things, with the intermotor from Lagos, they go. Sometimes the man no go come. Now let me tell you now, say how, so you will not doubt what I'm telling you now, because they are dragging the small girl. The man say one Karan, the girl say no Karan. The family say no Karan, say no pet dad. This one, they drag. They want kill the girl. So now when I came into the picture, God told me, say, this baby, now two of them get the baby. So but make the baby there with me. So anytime when the baby go back to the father's house, the problem will start. Because now there they start, there the covenant start. The man appear here and I like say serpent. Everything there. The girl they talk on for her mouth. When she deliver everything there, nothing to fear. So when we are going, I told the girl, because they are going, they say if they get there, the man go carry the baby. I say why? I said when they go to the church, say if they go there, the man will carry the baby. I say okay, no problem. I will come from Lagos. Me and my PA will come drive from Lagos. The day where they give them appointment to drive from Lagos to, I can't spend the wait for night mine. I come pick them for night man. Before get the man don't get there, they call. When we reach there, I said the girl, the small girl, made the man no touch him, no touch his head. So when we reach there, I found I can't touch his head. Now the girl will come, they drag. I can't hold the small girl. Me and the man one fight. So I could finish. Me and the father can't quarrel. We can't go. I said I no go that man. They made the call the family. I don't come my hand. Now they don't do. See if my eye reach, the man no go really come. You still happen like 5 times. You go waste money, spend like 200. I said you will not enter my house. So. Make una go settle what you wanna start. I'm not interested. I don't know what you wanna start. I wanna go carry your family. They go reach that man no go come. They go reach that man no go come. They reach that man no go come. Now she come cry, come meet me. Say the man no agree come. I say okay. You know agree come abi. But the man don't. Why I put myself? The man don't marry for almost 3-4 years. Don't marry another woman. But the other one I lock. I'm saying no go feed do anything. I mean I like that kind of challenge. I say okay. I have to help this woman. So they allow. I say me no enter my house. They might get they cry. That they come. I can't see what she did there. They cry. I said, okay. I open door. I said, enter. I said, what thing happen? Say, if you reach, the man will really come. You know, they go for almost 6 months now. The man will really come again. Come do the separation. I said, okay. You know, really come. I said, okay, no problem. I will prove unto you, say, I be spiritual warlord. See what I do? I can't frog the man. Huh? Frog and finish. Frog him. I be spiritual man. I know they talk. This is why they talk about, hey, making the hear him. Before the man come do separation with this my wife. Let me say we're not there together again. A wife chop bomb touches. Fear will no fear God. Now as a wife, because you know, say if you think say you get power, you give him power. If you meet power, you go along. So as a wife chop bomb touches, now it's alone. Go do the separation. And then I come say don't come out your hand. I laugh. I say, make it go, say, go come. When he reach, he said, man, don't come, don't finish everything. I said, okay. In come now, he said, yes, he come. I said, okay. Make you know. So, if anybody don't respect me for this word, this woman is supposed to respect me because you have seen power. So, you're the last person to betray me. When they talk, where you supposed to there for front, they shout because not truth. You go hide. God forbid. Why are you hiding? Anybody that hide, if you're not proud of me, I'm not proud of you. Be you a member, be you a family, be you a brother, be you a sister, be a wife. If you are not proud of me, I'm not proud of you. No chance for betrayers. Betrayers are betrayers. Bible says he that is not with you is against you. I know, not today. He that is not with you is against you. So it can be adding like snake. Bible says become like dough by wise like serpent. So I kept everything. That time usually they make you you never marry, go and marry. I'm married. But I'm telling you my story now. I'm married, but I know they fuck my wife. I'm married. My wife not cool for. I know live with my wife. I just the answer say I'm married from out. I say, hey, where they go? Look how they go. So maybe if I see wife, I go marry. Make you no contact say they marry for my wife. If you come, if I preach like this, now so you should go first. You go first. Now person with the first, I go cook for you. May come put poison inside my food. I'm a spiritual man. So the time have passed. You have finished assignment. God have used that to review what you want to review. So whatever I say now, it's not like I'm forging it. Evidence there. Okay? So thank you very much. This video is made today, August 21, 2025. This is to save Ndi Igbo and to save the world from occultic church of Satan. Mary, we're not against Mary, mother of Yeshua. We are against Mary, mother of Satan. The Isis, the queen of heaven, the Roman goddess, the one you worship in the name of Mary. That is not Mary. Stop watching it. If you have a chaplet, go and burn it. If you have statue where they made Mary, go and burn it. Go and throw it away. My mother used to have this. Now what's thinking now? So if I tell you you don't want to hear, I will leave you. I'm not going to force you. Bible say when you preach, they don't want to hear. I mean, I don't drop. Now because of one woman in America make me the preach. I never stopped since. That woman, get what she talk. You know, tell me, say, I'm not continue. This is somebody that he came to Ebuko, he spent over $1 million. He go back with the same problem. Now phone are there solving problem. Okay, that I will show you her daughter. Her daughter in America 20-something years. When she was 8 years, they attacked her. Now here I do the prayer. You know if you get work for America, that's what we say now. Now not she lead, you know if you get work. Now when I do the prayer finish, she get work. She don't get work. She like almost 2 work she they do now. They don't send the testimonies since how many months. I never post them. I will show it. Just that some of the testimony, the way they are doing it, because I don't have time. So you see why I cannot have much member. You see the preaching. So if my Catholic people watch and finish, they go wrong. I said that ones who want to deliver themselves, and you know if you hide though. So if you don't say one hide, go to your church. There's nothing to hide. I know be occulting, I know the wearing, I know it belong to anyone, I know it belong to my water. Now person will get something to hide. This is not occult, this is church, the breath of Ndi Igbo, Zion City of David, Yahweh Synagogue, the New Jerusalem. The New Jerusalem. Ebana abawa ezioku abayoto. Ebana there's where the truth supersede lie, fact against lie. Anything you don't hear the truth here, you cannot hear it again. +234 903 222 6076. I believe we have done this program I did today. Is one of its kind, and it's going to go a long way. It touched many things. Before you marry, watch this video. Don't go and marry water. Don't go and marry as a wine. Don't go and marry prophetess. Before it says a prophetess. So many prophetess, they have snake inside them. Yes. That's why it was a prophetess. It was prophesying. It was doing miracle. But it was serpent power using. But she's free now. But sometimes the demon will still appear to her. I've conquered them finally. If it's before, by now the demon will not appear, the dragon. Because last some months ago, I told I want to expose this. He said, no, I shouldn't say it. I shouldn't let, not everything I will let people know. Before I know it, the dragon, I now hold the dragon like this. I hit them on the ground. You know, when we talk about this, you got to say with the joke. I feel sleep now. I go come see. All of them I don't conquer all of them. Even before, if I sleep like this, so they come. I go tie my sword, they fight. But since now fight don't reduce well. The only one fight I fight now. I killed dog. One that was 3 days ago. Dog. He said, which it's occultic man. As it was coming, I used knife, I cut his head. I killed one dog. So because if I name my bro informers, so Chineke goes, this video will deliver millions of people, billions of people all over the world. This is just starting. So we're going to be doing the documentary very soon. So everything will be happening like that. We're not doing it to chain any man or to chain any woman or to make somebody to feel bad. But we're doing it because I need to do this. People need to know this truth. People need to know what I passed through, what I'm fighting. I'm not fighting because I'm jealous of everyone. I'm fighting to expose the hidden secret in Church of Satan. That's why they label me evil. That's why they say I'm jealous, I'm this one, I'm this one. Just Agbola. Zion people, they pay just Agbola, get back and Ijo and this, they begin to label my name. No, you come again, come on. If you label my, come and then God will kill you. Because who can stand? I am unstoppable. I am unquenchable. We are the Zionites. We are the Israelites. We are the Igbo Jews. We are the chosen one. My name is Prophet David Yahweh Chukadiba, the spiritual warlord of Most High God, the angel on earth, 1.16 million angels. I belong to Yahweh Family Covenant Altar of Fire, the most powerful altar in the world, altar that have 1.16 million angels. In the existence of mankind, there's no altar that has such angel. One guy yesterday, they pray, they show. Power, no be power, no be water. Power pass power. You keep Pentecost. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching. Are you ready for on the 6th open heaven prayer? Power pass power night of Pentecost is coming on the 6th of September in our God Palace. Be my guest. Tell somebody to tell somebody. We're going to be there. We're going to go again. We're going to praise God in our local way. Because this is a Judaism. This is tradition. This is originality. We're going back to the roots. I've come back to the roots already. Going back to the roots is go and worship the Almighty Yahweh Chukwu. Not to go and worship our brother, not to go and worship Ekwesu, not to go and worship idol. I don't pray to idol. I don't pray to Mewata. I don't pray to Mary. I don't pray to Jesus. I pray to Yahweh Elohim. Chukwu Chineke suni na nke ndị agha. Ka Chineke wee dị ụmụ Lion of Tribe of Judah, ụmụ Chukwu. Chineke bless you. God bless you. Shalom.